Hello friends, welcome to our channel, Everything About Computing. Today we are going to know how to use Windows as well as Linux operating system in a single boot. I mean, there is no need to use dual boot or any virtual platform to so. You have watched till end for knowing how to do so. Firstly, I am showing the similarity with Windows. As you look at the system, it's booting and looks like an Windows booting, but actually it's a Linux platform. It is a login screen just like a Windows login. I am entering the password just like Windows. Even the desktop looks same as Windows 10. Start button same as Windows 10. File system is pretty much same as Windows 10. I am going to open my computer or this PC, whatever you say, and wow, the file system or drive system look like the same as Windows. No one even imagine the system is Linux and had a core of Unix. It is same, copy paste and create new folder option you can see. I am pestling some of my file from CD media. Even the rename is same. Change background is also same as Windows 10. Task manager is quite informatic. Word processor, spreadsheet and other office application, looks like MS Office 2007, but actually it is OpenOffice, just the icons are same as Microsoft. But this Office is quite compatible to open or edit Microsoft Office files. You can also encrypt or protect the Office documents by password also. Now I am going to install a Windows application like VLC Player without any problem. There is a compatibility software Wine is included with this OS. When the Wine is running for first time, it will configure itself. Now the final question. How to make Linux work like Windows? It's very simple, just have to download the modified Linux from the link given in description and install it normally. I am using the Linuxfx, which is made by SourceForge. You can see the VLC installation is completed. As it's an open source platform, so no need to pay anything to use this version of Linux, but there is some disadvantages also, like, the Windows games not run on this platform, some high-end application like Pinnacle, AutoCAD, Corel, Adobe Illustrator not working on this platform. But you can enjoy the normal office work, browsing, video and audio player with it. Goodbye for right now. Stay with our channel by subscribing us, for this type of video, which you never find anywhere. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.